Namaste, friends. My name is Nisha Thakur, and I'm a maths online tutor. In this video, we will learn compound inequalities, how to solve, graph, and give interval notation to the solution of compound inequalities. So, several inequalities can be combined together to form what are called compound inequalities. There are three types of compound inequalities which we will investigate in this video. Okay, so here, first one is or inequality. So, for this type of inequality, we want a true statement for either one inequality or the other inequality or both. So here is the question. Solve each inequality, graph the solution and give interval notation of solution. Here given two inequalities combined by or sentence. Okay, compound inequalities. So 2x minus 5 greater than 3 or 4 minus x greater than or equal to 6. So we can solve both inequalities just like linear inequalities, okay, and solve for x. So here we have to add 5 both side. So this is 2x greater than, this is cancel, 3 plus 5, 8, x greater than, okay, now both side divide by 2. So 8 divided by 2, 4. Here both sides subtract 4. Minus x greater than or equal to 2. Here minus x, so we can divide by negative number. And do you know, when we divide or multiply by negative number, inequality sign change, reversed. So when we divide both side negative 1, so inequality sign change, and this is minus 2. Okay, so x greater than 4 and x less than or equal to minus 2. We can represent in number line. Here is given x greater than 4. 4 is this, and here just greater than sign. It means we can write this parenthesis. Means here 4 not include. Okay, curved bracket, and more than 4, it means this one. And here x less than or equal to minus 2, minus 2 is this, and this is include x value can be minus 2. So this bracket is square bracket. Here all x values less than or equal to minus 2, it means this side. So here minus infinity, when we write in interval notation, this is minus infinity. And do you know, whenever we write infinity, we use curved bracket. Minus 2 include, that's why square bracket, union. Here curved bracket because 4 not include, 4, and here all um, more than 4 numbers, so positive infinity. This is the graph on number line, and this is interval notation. Okay, this is the answer. So here says solve each inequality, graph the solution and give interval notation. We did all. Okay, so this is or type of inequality. The second type of inequality, compound inequality, is an and inequality. And inequalities require both statements to be true. If one is false, they both are false. When we graph these inequalities, we can follow a similar process. First, graph both inequalities above the line, but this time only where they overlap will be drawn. Okay, onto the number line. So both inequalities here given, 2x plus 8 greater than or equal to 5x minus 7 and 5x minus 3 greater than 3x plus 1. So here both sides subtract 5x. This is minus 3x plus 8 greater than or equal to minus 7. This is cancelled. Now both sides subtract 8. Minus 3x greater than or equal to minus 15. Now both sides divide by a negative number, negative 3. So inequality sign change. Negative 3 here divided by negative 3 cancel, and here negative 15 divided by negative 3 is 5. Okay, and inequality sign change. Okay, now here both sides subtract 3x. So 2x minus 3 greater than 1. Now both sides add 3. So 2x greater than 4. This is cancelled. Okay. Now both sides divide by 2. So x greater than 4 divided by 2, 2. Here inequality sign doesn't change because we are dividing positive number. Okay. Here change because here divide by negative number. Okay. Now these two inequalities we can represent on a number line. This is 5 x less than or equal to 5. So this, and here if 5 include, so here actually I can write like this at 5, and here all below number 5. Okay. Now here x greater than or 2. So 2 is this but not include. Okay. So here like this, and all greater than 2. So what is overlapping here? Overlapping is 2 to 5. Okay. So 2 and 5. 5 include but 2 not include. So interval notation is this of this compound inequality. Okay, this is the answer, and this is on graph number line. We can represent like this here, and I can change the color this from 5 like this, and here include 5. Okay, so this is the answer. So this is the third type of compound inequality. The third type of compound inequality is a spatial type of and inequality, when our variable is between two numbers, when we can write it as a single math sentence with three parts. So when solving these type of inequalities, because there are three parts to work with, to stay balanced, we will do the same thing to all three parts, and is to isolate the variable in the middle. The graph then is simplify the values between the numbers with appropriate brackets on the ends. So here I can write one more time. This is inequality. This is n type of inequality, but here um, this write in three terms. Okay, we have to isolate this x here middle. So for this we have to subtract to all sides. Okay, so this is minus 8 less than or equal to, this is cancelled, so minus 4x, and 2 minus 2 will be 0. Okay, now all sides divide by negative 4. Whenever we divide or multiply by negative number, inequality sign change. So here all sides divide by -4. So -8 divide by -4, -4x divide by -4, 0 upon -4. So inequality sign change. So -8 divided by -4, which is 2, greater than or equal to x greater than 0. We can represent on a number line. So here says x between 2 to 0. To include, 0 not include. Okay. So 0. 0 is this, which is not include, and 2 is this, and it is include. So this between like this, okay. More than 0 and less than 2 or equal to 2. So here overlapped area is this one. So 0, 2, 2 include, 0 not include. So this is our answer. So here we learned three type of compound inequalities. This is OR type. Here just disjoint, and we can represent in interval notation with union. Okay. And here second type, two given inequalities here, and type of compound inequality which is overlapped, but here given two separated inequalities joined with and here third type of inequality here, this is combined three terms. Okay. So here we saw like this, and here also overlapped area. Okay, this is. So very simple questions. If you have any doubt, please ask me. And if you liked my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye. Have a nice time.